In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notification profiles in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control which updates you receive and where you receive them, so your inbox and in-app alerts stay focused on what matters most. Start by opening your web browser and heading to a search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If your company uses single sign-on, follow the standard prompt to get into your workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's the shortcut to your settings. Click it to open the full settings area. In the settings sidebar, locate the account management section. Within that section, select Account Defaults. This page aggregates key defaults that apply to your account and makes it easy to manage global preferences. From here, find and click Notification Profiles. This is where you'll configure the types of notifications you want and the channels you want to use. Next, click Create Notification Profile. This opens a guided setup panel. You'll see options to choose the channels where you want to be notified: commonly email, in-app notifications, and, if available for your setup, mobile push. Think about the urgency of each type of alert. Time-sensitive items are often best sent to in-app or mobile, while summary-type updates might be better over email. Now choose the topics that matter most to you. Topics can include things like new conversations, marketing email statuses, form submissions, task reminders, or CRM record changes, depending on your permissions and the tools your account has enabled. Select only what you truly need so you reduce noise and stay responsive to the right signals. It can help to imagine your day-to-day workflow, which alerts help you act faster, and which ones are just nice to read later. Align each topic with the channel that fits its urgency. When you're satisfied with your selections, look to the top right and click Save. HubSpot will apply your new notification profile, and your preferences will begin guiding what you see and when you see it. That's all it takes. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, opened settings with the gear icon, went to account defaults, opened notification profiles, created a profile, selected your channels and topics, and saved your choices. You can return to this area anytime to fine-tune your settings as your role or workload changes. Keeping your notifications intentional helps you move faster, stay organized, and focus on the updates that truly drive results.